Okay, a little Scion XD update. So, getting the lug nuts off, they were really on there good, and they did not just all of a sudden start going either. They twisted hard the whole way. But I got them off, and then the wheel wouldn't come off. So apparently it was rusted on here pretty good. And I ended up putting lubricant on, which didn't really get to the spot. You can tell it did, penetrating oil. So I ended up taking the 6-pound hammer, laying down and tapping the bottoms, and I had to tap pretty hard. And that was after I did WD-40 this right here, but again, that did not get to the rust. So I don't know how you would have changed these roadside. That would have been a real problem. They were just on there. I think they were over torqued, and then the rust just compounded the problem. You just couldn't get the wheel off. But I ended up getting it off. And then this side, I ended up breaking one of the studs, so I ordered new ones last night. So that's going to be another task. But for right now, I'd like to clean this all up, Z-zip any of the metal parts that are rusting. You know, first brush it down real good. I'll have to come back in here later, but for now, just clean it all up, get the wheel on, and then at least then I can put it up on ramps. Well, I want to get the back two done too, so we'll do that, then we'll do ramps. But before that, I would like to work on this wheel well. So three things. One, we have it dented in right here, so I'd like to see if I can get that to come out a little bit. Maybe not a lot, but a little bit. Second, we are missing the black cover here. Now we have it. I'm pretty sure that's what we have. It's pretty beat up, but it might go back on. If not, we're going to need to order one. But I also want to clean it up and Z-zip everything. And I'm also going to Z-zip inside the inner part of the rim too, so that we're less likely for this part to rust and really rust right on there. Plus it'll just look better, and plus the Z-zip will help keep it sealed. Now we did put the new tires on these two, so they're looking really good. And I did Z-zip along the rim. The inner rim was real good. It was real smooth. Did a little sandy, but honestly I don't think it was needed at all. Did Z-zip it and the tire and put it back on, so there's a good seal there. And now I'll Z-zip the whole thing, plus the inside, clean that and Z-zip that. So I think I'll do that first. That way I can set these aside, let them dry, and then I'll work on cleaning up each of these inside components and Z-zipping them. And so that's what it looks like right now. You know, pretty rusty in spots. And the black covering is on here. I really don't like this though. I don't like that going on. I don't like that vibration thing going on. So I don't know if I can do anything about that. It's kind of strange that it would not connect over here or something. So I want to examine that a little bit closer. See if there's some way that can be connected or zip tied or something. If not, maybe it's not a critical thing. I don't know. I'll see what I can do. I don't like rattling noises either, so. And we'll get everything clean we can. Make this look a lot better. We'll have to take it apart again to change that. I don't know how that's going to go, but for right now, let's get it all cleaned up. Until I get them, I can't change it anyways. Okay, that's where we're at. Let's work on the front end, and then I'll move to the back end. Get these new tires on. It's coming along.